This is actually a really simple makeup look for this date night Valentine. This is just one of Valentine's look that I have. To see more of the videos, or I can just link all of them right here. Let's get started. This is, like I said, this is gonna be one of the easiest ones. Quick and easy makeup look. Okay. Okay, let's zoom into my face. So I'm gonna use a dark pink. If you don't have hooded eyes, you're lucky. But for hooded eyes people, we usually start from the bridge of our nose and going to the end of my brow. So we're gonna just make a straight line right here. And I'm gonna get like a flatter brush, and I'm gonna get like a shimmery light pink, and I'm just gonna put that right on the center of my lid. And while I'm at it, I'm also gonna put that on my inner corners to brighten up my eyes and to make it look wide awake, because I usually look sleepy. I have not gotten any sleep yet, you guys. I had 1 hour. Now I'm getting a white one, and I'm gonna put that even in the center of my lid, like almost like a dot. And while I'm at it, I'm also gonna put that right under my brows. I'm also still gonna fix my brows because I haven't fixed it yet. If you wanna put brown, now we can do our eyeliner. So you can make it as thick as you want. I usually like to make it thin and have a little bit of a wing. Not too much, but that's all up to you. So I hope this was simple enough. If you're not comfortable with having fake lashes on or anything, just wear your mascara. And of course, like I said, stay tuned for my lashes launch. It's gonna be coming soon. I hope this was easy enough. I have more Valentine's Look for you guys. I'll be linking it right here or gonna be down below for more of the Valentine's Look, so you can have choices what you wanna look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this was helpful. Or anyway, I hope you guys enjoy your Valentines with your loved ones. Even if you are single and you just want to spend time with yourself or your friends, is just nothing wrong with that. It's nothing wrong with spending time with yourself and even pampering yourself, you know. Make Valentine's still a thing, you guys, even with self-love. Keep spreading that love and I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.